What's up, guys? Spin Firearms here. Obviously, we're at the range. My favorite firearm, the Glock 26. I'm used to subcompacts, Hellcats, P365s, GX4s, you name it. Anyways, I got the Glock 45 last week. This is going to be the first shots with it. Give me a break. Getting used to larger firearms. Here we go. Did anyone else see that? Jam on the very first mag. We had a double feed. Double feed, guys. Very first mag, double feed with the Glock 45. Could be a magazine issue. Not 100% sure. But we are going to retry this over. We're going to do another mag, get first impressions as a first shot. I'm using Remington range ammo.